Army recognition's breaking news of today. Israel and US conduct successful flight tests of Arrow 3 anti-ballistic missile. New Wing Loong 1E male UAV from China conducts its maiden flight, and DARPA RACER Fleet Vehicles to test high speed and off-road autonomy. On January 18, the Israel Missile Defense Organization and the US Missile Defense Agency conducted a successful flight test of the Arrow weapon system and the Arrow 3 interceptor at a test site in central Israel. The Arrow 3 interceptor is part of the Arrow Weapon System, or AWS, which is the world's first operational, national, standalone anti-tactical ballistic missile defense system. The Arrow modular air defense system detects, tracks, intercepts and destroys incoming tactical ballistic missiles carrying a range of warheads and over a large footprint, thereby protecting strategic assets and population centers. AWS radars detected the target and transferred data to the Battle Management Control. The BMC analyzed the data and established a defense plan. 2 Arrow 3 interceptors were launched toward the target and successfully completed the mission. This test was designed to challenge every element of the Arrow weapon system, and data collected from this test will guide future development of the AWS. The Arrow weapon system is a central part of Israel's multi-layered defense array. The defense array is based on 4 layers: Iron Dome defense system, David's Sling weapon system, AWS Arrow 2 and Arrow 3 interceptors. The AWS is designed to intercept ballistic missiles outside the Earth's atmosphere. The Aviation Industry Corporation of China has conducted a maiden flight with its new Wing Loong 1E, an advanced version of the Wing Loong 1, a medium-altitude long-endurance UAV developed by the Chinese Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group. The design of the Wing Loong 1E seems very similar to the previous version, but the new UAV is made using composite materials, according to the company. Using composite materials, we can assume that the new UAV is lighter than the previous version, offering longer range and endurance as well as higher efficiency and reliability. It has been fully optimized and upgraded to offer new performances. But to date, the Chinese company has not released any technical information on the new Wing Loong 1E. As the previous version, the Wing Loong 1E will be able to carry a wide range of weapon systems, including laser-guided bombs and missiles to attack and destroy air or ground-based targets. In the USA, the DARPA's Robotic Autonomic in Complex Environments with Resiliency program, also called RACER program, is picking up speed after 3 teams were selected to go to the starting line last October. The DARPA RACER program's goal is to develop and demonstrate autonomy technologies that enable unmanned ground vehicles to maneuver in unstructured off-road terrain at the limit of the vehicle's mechanical systems and at or beyond human-driven speeds and efficiencies. In November, the selected teams for the project received the first of the DARPA's RACER Fleet Vehicles, or RFVs, a high-performance all-terrain vehicle outfitted with world-class sensing and computational abilities that they are using to develop platform-based autonomy for testing at upcoming DARPA-hosted field experiments in March 2022. The sensors and equipment currently collects 4 terabytes of sensor data per hour to support artificial intelligence, machine learning-based autonomy algorithms, and stack approaches required of fast-paced combat maneuvers in complex terrain. The program is focused on advancing off-road autonomy of combat vehicles and seeks to demonstrate the ability of these platforms to travel at speeds that maintain pace with manned combat vehicles in complex terrain, typical of that seen in real situations. The plan is to evolve in speed, scale, and mobility beyond the RFVs, as well as add a research track exploring tactics-based derivation of the new platforms.